Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a high-contrast portrait and gathering 2 to 3 anime references so you know the style, color palette, and line weight you want. Open your photo, duplicate the background layer, and lock the original. This protects the file while you experiment. Once done, crop to a composition that matches anime framing, then scale the reference images into the canvas. Make a quick layers folder named references so you can toggle them while you work. You now convert the photo into anime proportions by lowering the photo opacity and tracing on a fresh layer. Focus on enlarging the eyes, shortening the nose, and softening the jaw. This preserves likeness while matching anime anatomy. Use a pressure-aware brush for tapered lines or vector paths for clean curves. Lock transparent pixels to refine. Once your linear is solid, hide the original photo and correct proportions by nudging lines and erasing stray details to keep the style clean and readable. You fill flat base colors on separate layers, skin, hair, clothing, and eyes, so each element is editable. Then add cell shading with 1 or 2 hard-edged shadow layers and a soft overlay for subtle glow. This emphasizes volume without over-rendering. Once shaded, paint crisp highlights on hair and eyes, apply a gentle color grade or LUT to unify the palette, and export a high-resolution PNG. If hair looks flat, add a mid-tone band. If edges are jagged, smooth with a small soft brush and re-export.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.